Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. Today we'll be seeing a program of if-else ladder in Python. So for this is a program for checking the grade of the marks we have taken input from the user. Now the marks entered will be stored in A and those are of type integer. Next, input enter marks. This message will be printed or displayed over there. Now, if A, that is the marks entered, less than equals to 85, print A grade. Okay. elif is the short form of else if in Python. Just remember this. elif A greater than or equals to 80 and A less than 85. Understood? A's value is greater than 80 but less than 85. That time we'll print A minus grade. elif A less than 80 and A greater than equals to 75. If the marks are equals to or greater than 75 and less than 80, then we'll be printing B grade. elif A less than 75 and A greater than or equals to 70. So marks are in between 70 and 75. Then we'll print B minus grade. Else. So this is the final else statement. If none of the condition matches, we'll print message below average. Okay, so this is the message will be displayed over there. Now press shift enter. It will ask you to enter marks. If suppose you enter 81, what grade will be displayed over there? A minus, because the percentage is greater than 80 and less than 85. Suppose if you enter 64, so we don't have any marks over here below 70. So 64, it will display below average. Okay, so this was the program for taking input from user and displaying whether it is A grade, A minus, B or B minus grade. Okay, or below average. Hope you understood this program. Hope to see in upcoming videos. For that, press the bell icon for seeing the next videos and keep subscribing the channel. Thank you.